I'm here at the Chinnaswamy Stadium showing you these pictures. We're close to about a little over 9 o'clock right now. My video journalist is just going to show you the amount of footwear that's thrown all over. Is this what we want to see? Is this what the people going to work want to see? Is this the kids who are going to school want to see? The least that could have been done by the administration here is to clean up this mess. What is the BBMP doing in front of the Vidhan Saudha? Because that's where politicians come and go. The cleanup job is done. Here, the tragedy is there for everyone to see. They had to, of course, yesterday, they were all made witness to this. People were told about it, but today while they go to work, they still have to see the tragedy unfold. What led to it is another question on people's mind. These are the gates, one of the gates here, near gate number 20 that I'm standing. This is a small portion which was opened for people to get inside. While 2 people can make their way inside, 4 to 5 to 8 people sometimes try to gush through this. They were squeezed in, people were injured. These barricades were put, not enough police to man these barricades, and they were brought down. People under the barricade got stepped on. That led to more and more problems, people getting injured. I'm just going to walk a little ahead now to show you an indicator of how bad the situation was. And these are, metal barricades made out of iron. You can see a piece that has been broken there. Govind is going to show you that piece. Another example of how many people try to bring this barricade down is this portion here. Now you can see this is made out of iron. It's almost impossible to structurally damage this, and that has completely come off because this is a junction, somewhere it is fixed of sorts, but people try to pull it. And here you can see the portion that has been damaged there. This is the same portion here. I'm going to ask Govind to once again come a little ahead and show you these pictures. And it'll show you this particular portion. Even this has been bent. Why this is important is because people here started to pull this. This is the way that people started to pull, and this is me trying to do this. I can in no way cause any sort of damage, but when you have hundreds of people simultaneously trying to get inside the stadium and do that, that's when the problem arises. And that's where ample security was required. Police presence in large numbers was required here, but what happened was most of the VIP movement initially, the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, the players, the Governor, all of them at the Vidhan Saudha. That meant maximum police force, VIP security was deployed there. The number of policemen at the Chinnaswamy Stadium, where the crowds were swelling up, waiting to go inside, reduced. They couldn't man these gates enough. They couldn't control the barricades enough. Eventually, tragedy struck. People lost their lives. Many people injured. And it's agony all over the city and in the state and now in the country as well. Was anything more important than the lives of the people? Was anything more important than the happiness? These are questions that come up as we continue to see these distressing scenes this morning. The least that the officials here from the BBMP could have done is spare this horrifying sight for the people who are coming, turning up for work, turning up to offices. Still, we have been reporting from here for the last hour. People have been reporting, all multiple channels, even regional channels have been doing that. Still, the BBMP thinks that this should be a spectacle. It should be shown to everybody. People, you can see another individual there stopping his bike. You can see this man stopping his bike, taking a picture of what happened. He's getting to see this. Yesterday he was probably not here when the tragedy struck, but the BBMP, the government wants everybody to witness, or rather bear witness to what has transpired yesterday, and it's absolutely appalling to say the least. Now, coming back to the question that you asked me about, whether this could have been planned better, was there a need to have that Vidhan Saudha event? Probably not, because initially the suggestion that was given by the police was that let's not even have the parade because we've not had enough time. Celebrations went late into the night, and the police of course were already deployed then. There had to be additional police forces that needed to be brought in from other districts. That couldn't be done in a matter of a few hours. There was a request for a parade. In fact, Virat Kohli himself spoke about it while, addressing a post-match presentation. But all of that set aside, neither Virat Kohli, neither the RCB team, nobody would have wanted 11 people to be dead, 47 people to be injured, while celebrations was the call for the day. If that was the case, then if even a parade was not something that was suggested. Why did the government want to have two separate events? Now, if you have the chief minister, if you have the deputy chief minister, you have the governor, the players coming to Vidhan Sabha, isn't that going to divide your complete police force? Majority of the police will want to ensure that where there is maximum VIP movement, they are stationed there. That's exactly what happened. Top police officers, commissioner, the other DCPs, all of them stationed at the Vidhan Sabha. And here, where the gates were open for the people to come in, all of a sudden an announcement being made that, well, you're going to be allowed free of cost. That created a frenzy. People wanted to get inside the stadium come what may. 35,000 the capacity of the stadium, over a lakh people gathered here. Not enough policemen on the grounds, barricades being brought down, people trapped under the barricade. It was a situation that nobody wanted. People suffering at the end of it. Till 8:39, I saw people not getting transport to get back home. Some of them injured. Some of them didn't want to go to the hospital, just wanted to get over that ordeal, reach back home. No cabs available, no public transport. It was a struggle that was never ending last night. And this definitely could have been managed better. It could have saved lives if there was better planning. And no celebration was worth the 11 lives lost.